Hello friends, this is Vikas Upadhyay and I welcome you on Knowledge Kingdom. Today I'm gonna show you the simplest method to solve a Rubik's Cube. Before starting, I would like to explain the basic structure and anatomy of this cube. This centerpiece, this would be regarded as centerpiece only. You'll find this centerpiece everywhere on each side. You'll find some corners. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 corners in this particular layer, and this middle part, this would be regarded as edge. In summary, we can say that we have one centerpiece, 4 corner pieces and 4 edges. Whenever I'll give any instruction about the side, so we shall consider this side as a right side. This is my right side, it's my left side, it's my upper side, it's my down side, it's my front side, and it's my back side. When we talk about the movements, so we can carry out all movements in 2 ways, either in clockwise rotation or anti-clockwise rotation. For example, if I'm moving right side layer in clockwise direction, so I would denote it as R. When I'll move it in anti-clockwise rotation, so I'll denote it R inverted. And similarly, on another hand, if I'm moving the left layer in clockwise direction, so I would denote it as L. When I'll move it in anti-clockwise direction like this, so I'll denote it L inverted. Similarly, upper layer U and U inverted, D and D inverted, F and F inverted, and at last B, back side, and B inverted. Just look at this centerpiece. You'll find that there is opposite color is black, means this would remain same in any situation, in any movement. For example, if I'm moving in this way, or in this way, in any movement the centerpiece location won't be changed. Now we are proceeding to solve this. I'm going to mess up first of all. So guys, to solve this cube, you can choose any side of this cube. Whatever your preference is there, you can choose any side. Okay, I'll choose black side. If I'm taking this side to solve first, keep in your mind that we have to prepare the plus over here. Means the color of this cube, this one, and this one would be replaced by black color. Another thing, that if this side the centerpiece color is orange, so the edge piece color would be the combination of both centerpieces. Corners will be replaced by corners and the edge pieces will be replaced by edge pieces only. So you have to focus on edge pieces only. Here in this particular situation, I need a edge piece which should be the combination of 2 color, black and orange. So let's find out this color, black and orange. And on whatever side you want to take it, just turn it on just below the side and just turn it like this. You'll find that you have prepared one side of a plus, another side this line is prepared. So on each side you have to prepare this line with this combination. Now taking another side, at this side I'm having green color and black color. Means I have to find out a edge piece which should contain black and green colors. Let's find out black, green. Yes, it's here. So first turn it, and after that first turn and second turn. Oh, the edge piece color is right, but the orientation is not proper. So I'll turn it like this, in this way. I'll turn it again, I'll turn it, and again I'll turn the piece like this. Like this. So you'll find that you have prepared plus in this situation. Now moving towards corners. Always remember one thing, that a corner is made up of three colors: upper color, front color and side color. Means I have to find out a corner piece which should be made up of black, blue and red colors, and this is not. Means I have to find it out. Black, blue and red. Black, blue and red. Yes, it's here. Black, blue and red. So I'll turn it. I turn it there where it is needed, and now I'll use one algorithm here to solve this. R inverted, D inverted, R, D. R inverted, D inverted, R, D. You have to again and again repeat this algorithm till the desired color comes upper side. R inverted, D inverted, R, D. Look, now we have brought this color on upper side. Now we shall move towards solving the second layer. Before starting solving the second layer, I would like to mention some principles and rules which are very essential to solve second layer. The first rule is that the edge piece of second layer will always be replaced by the edge piece of third layer. You don't need to look anywhere else except third layer. Just observe the situation. In this particular situation, I need an edge piece which should be made up of two colors. From this side, green color to match this centerpiece, and from this side, that should be made up of red color to match this side. And that desired edge piece is right here. Means I have to take this edge piece from third layer to second layer on left side. Now, first algorithm to bring it from here to left side, and the algorithm is U inverted, left inverted, U, L, U, F, U inverted, F inverted. Now your desired piece on your desired location. Observe the situation here. In this particular situation, you'll observe that I need an edge piece over here which should be made up of two colors. First, this side should be orange, and the another side of this edge piece should be blue, and the edge piece is right here. So it's here. In this situation, I have to bring this edge piece on right side. So this time we shall use another algorithm which is just opposite of previous one. Just observe the algorithm and follow it. U, R, U inverted, R inverted, U inverted, front inverted, U and F. By the end of this algorithm, you'll observe that now your edge piece on your desired location. So after completing the second layer, we shall move towards the third layer. Before solving the third layer, I would like to mention here that our ultimate motto is to prepare plus over here. It really does not make any difference that what kind of arrangement of this yellow pieces you are having here. In any situation, you may have only single color piece over here, or in this situation I'm having the L situation. In particular situation, you may have a line over here. Whatever the situation is there, you may use the algorithm which I'm going to tell you. F R U R inverted, U inverted, F inverted. If we haven't achieved that plus situation, so repeat the same algorithm. Now eventually you are observing that we have achieved our target to making plus. Now our second target after this, making T, the lined up T. I have to replace this green color with red color to make T like this. So first we'll check that yes, like this. I just turned this third layer and just observe that yes, already the T is being made here. In another side, just observe the situation. I have two T's in opposite direction. So how can we solve this? So there is a specific algorithm. From any side you can hold your cube by facing this T on your face and apply this algorithm. R U R inverted, U R U U R inverted, U. Now we have one lined up situation, and our ultimate motto is to prepare lined up T on each side. So just again repeat the same algorithm, that is, as you are observing that we have prepared lined up T on each side. Now next our target to replace the corners. In this particular situation, this corner piece is made up of three colors: red, yellow and green. And now look at the sides. Red, yellow and green means this corner piece is on right location with wrong color orientation. It's not a big issue, we'll correct it afterward. Next, at this position, blue, red and yellow, blue, red and yellow. This is also on right location with wrong color orientation. Blue, orange and yellow. Okay, it's also fine. And this color means we are having four cube on right location with wrong color orientation. So this kind of situation can be solved by last algorithm which we had also used in earlier state, and the algorithm is R inverted, D inverted, R, D, R inverted, D inverted, R, D. You just need to repeat this algorithm again and again till you replace your corner over here with the right location and right color orientation. Meanwhile, you may feel that, oh yeah, I have messed up my cube. Now what will happen? So don't worry, it will relocate automatically, magically, and ultimately you'll find that you have solved this Rubik's cube. Just again apply the same algorithm. As we have obtained our target over here, just turn this particular layer and apply the same algorithm. Again, turn the upper layer in this way and proceed with the same algorithm. Now one more piece is left. Yes, and apply the same algorithm, that is R and D. You need to take a single turn and you'll observe that your Rubik's cube is solved. If you want to get more interesting videos on our channel, so just like our channel, give your comments and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.